Hi guys, I'm enjoying writing Christmas card to my dear families and friends. I can't wait for this jolly Christmas. I want to share my secret hot chocolate recipes with you guys. First, heat a cup of milk and add cinnamon powder and stir it gently. Of course, my secret ingredient, mix la Belgian Chocolate Fun Travel Pack. This is my favorite hot beverage drink. With this sachet, I can have my hot chocolate everywhere I go. Okay, now need to stir it and the aroma is so fragrant and so yum. Now serve this drink in my favorite cup and I put some marshmallow on top and chocolate sprinkle on the top. Nice and beautiful. Enjoy! Merry Christmas everybody!